look what her name is?
Yeah, it'll be under her last name.
Okay.
In the book. So she'll be in right here.
Okay.
And then you just come in inside, and then since she's only part-time, then you'll sign out at the end 12 p.m.
Okay.
These are the PM slots. That's what you'll just do every day.
All right. Thank you.
And every time, if somebody picks her up, they're going to be IDing, so make sure you guys have your ID.
Okay. Okay.
Helen wants to stay, but she can't.
No, baby, this is your preschool, okay? Listen well, okay?
And I'll
Follow
put
directions.
some notes in here for the parents. Every day I have like new notes.
Okay.
Because I leave exactly at 12 too. Or sometimes I'll leave earlier because I do a bus run for other kids who get out early.
Okay.
So my time ranges.
Okay, no problem. But they'll send me home a progress report.
Yeah, we have a little progress note where she'll either get a green, yellow, or red. Those are like their warnings, and I'll have her name on there. And then I'll write like how she did today or any notes that I feel like you guys need to know.
Okay, perfect. Thank you so much.
Oh, excuse me, there's a parent.
Okay.
Bye, Al.
Bye, babe. Have a good day.
Good morning.
Bye, thank
Bye,
you.
have a good day.
Should I say go Bears, guys?
Oh.
You can, but it ain't gonna make a difference.
You want Allie? She's at her first day of preschool, baby. It's just gonna be us today. It's okay.